Hi, this is Hadas from Canva, and I'd like to introduce to you the data connectors. You can connect your data using Canva AI. Just use this drop down menu and see how I can download or connect my data from Google Drive. I just need to give Canva permission. I can also do this with Dropbox and other features. So, for example, let me show you. I'm going to take and use one of my photos. I'm going to add it under this plus, add media, and I'm going to write whatever it is that I want Canva to create for me. Then I would like to ask her to design my Instagram post, and let's hit play and see what happens. So you can see that I get a few options. I can edit them within Canva AI. I can do more adjustments. And here, for example, I'm just going to show you how I can edit the text and edit the color palette. I'm just going to pick one, for example, this option, and then I'm going to just double click, type whatever I want, and head up here for the color palettes and change the colors. Then I can also go up to the right and use Canva Editor to continue my editing. So simple.